Hello Internet, welcome to another pedestrian street POV. I'm in probably the noisiest part of Shanghai where a lot of construction is going on. I don't know what I'm going to get here, but got my A1 by Sony, shooting on my GoPro Hero Black 11. I have a feeling I'm not going to get a lot of interesting shots, but all I can do is try. Pretty early this time of day, so probably all I'm going to be able to shoot are commuters and construction workers. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little muffled. I am wearing a mask, as all conscientious humans do in this time of pandemic. Right now I've got my Sony 50mm f1.2 lens. And I'm shooting in aperture priority mode. Normally I don't spend a lot of time shooting architecture. And since I have 50mm, I don't know if I can even get an interesting composition because I am kind of too close. Right now I think I'm shooting around f4, which gives a little bit of depth if I shoot someone in the face. I don't particularly like the sculpture, but what the hell. As a lot of other video makers call it warm up, I guess I will warm up by taking a few shots of things that I don't really care too much about. But I need to shoot something, right? Definitely one good way to familiarize yourself with an area in Shanghai is to go out early when no one's around. Normally, my philosophy on street photography is go where fewer people are. In the morning, that's not too hard. Just missed this older gentleman. I'm waiting for a van to pass. I don't know if I got a good shot through that open doorway, but I tried. Sorry if the noise picked up on my lavalier mic is loud. It is a little noisy here. Just passing a fire station. Tried to shoot the word rescue along with the reflection of a taxi. I don't know how that turned out at all. There's a statue here. I don't know if I can get an interesting shot. I tried to get low. Pick up one of the faces here. Recomposite. Probably need a deeper depth of field. Try again 8 to get more of it in focus. And yeah, my ISO is going way up. Don't know how that turned out. Walk through this small park. Might see someone doing Tai Chi or some ladies line dancing. Yeah, a gentleman is doing some Tai Chi, but I don't know if I can get a good background. Not really interested in shooting older ladies doing some line dancing. Old guy eating on the bench. Definitely fair game. I don't really have any direction in mind. Just kind of zigzagging around. Doing some random shooting doesn't hurt. Chances are high that when I get to editing, I will just ditch many of these shots. And that's fine with me. One thing about shooting with my 50 is I have to get relatively close. I would have liked to have gotten his squeegee pushing some water off the edge, but I didn't have my camera lined up in time. Such is the destiny of the street photographer. If you don't have your camera ready, you will miss the shot. I do love some of the architecture here in Shanghai, and I'll shoot it just because I like it, even though it may not be super thrilling to any of my viewers. Sorry if I have some sniffles from time to time. Wearing a mask tends to make my nose run a little bit. I think this is going to be an interesting shot, but I'm going to shoot it anyway. Interesting. Can I get her face? No, I missed.
Hey, this is Future KK editing. I've reached my 10-minute arbitrary time limit, so I just want to say thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one. 再见。